Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to create from scratch this dynamic calendar in your Excel workbook. Let's start! I have created here a drop-down list for each month, and let's assume that Sunday is the first day of the week, which in Excel means 1, but it depends on the system settings. So we have 7 days, and to show this as weekdays, just press Ctrl 1 to open the Format Cells window, Custom, and here I will type the DDD format, which is the short name of weekdays. If I add another D, it will be formatted with the entire name, but I will leave it like this. I will create the calendar using the weekday function, which returns the day of the week as a number for a given date. Serial number is the date for which you want to determine the day of the week, and the return type argument is optional, but it specifies the type of return value. If omitted, the default is 1, which means from Sunday to Saturday. So we will have 1st of January minus weekday from 1st of January, which is 2, Monday, minus 1. Now I should to format these cells as DD to show the day number. And now just add one date. This may work, but there can be situations when the first day of the month is Sunday and the formula will return incorrect values. To avoid this, we will use the if function with the condition that if the result of weekday function minus 1 is negative, it should return 6. Otherwise, use the initial formula. To highlight only the selected month, I will use the conditional formatting. Select data, go to conditional formatting, new rule, and use a new formula. If the month of B3 is different from the selected month, B1, apply a different font. And that's it! Now, if I want to change the month, the days will be updated. But if you want to have Monday as the first day of a week, you can just replace 1 with 2 for days and in the formula as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more Excel tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for joining me today and see you in the next video.